Okay, so here is a Comfortmaker YG heat pump running in cool mode that I got defrosting last year, and it has a bit of an issue. Yeah, all frozen up. I mean, that's bad. So that could be a number of problems. That could be either blocked up filter in the air handler, or more than likely, low in charge. Here's some of the ice right here. That is bad. Wow. And this one's from 1999. It's a 2-ton. That is very bad. I have not seen one, a frozen up unit in a while. That sucks though. This thing might get replaced, honestly, because, you know, it's about 1999, it's about 23 years old, so old R22 system. Either they're gonna add refrigerant, they'll repair the leak, which is very unlikely, or it's gonna get replaced, which more than likely will get replaced. But who knows, they might save the unit one more year. That is bad though. I've always liked how shiny the ice is. Feels good on a hot day like this. Alright. This one was running, but it shut off. And I think this one may have been running. Motor's warm, so I might try to get the start up of it. So, yep, frozen up Comfortmaker YG heat pump running in cool mode. Thanks for watching.